In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money on Cash App by playing games. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is use this website called Quick Rewards. As you can see, you can make money by playing games, but you can also complete surveys, watch videos, offers, and shop online to earn money back in Cash App. So even if you don't want to play games, maybe you get bored, you also have a lot of other options on how to make money. All you have to do is go to quickrewards.net and select create an account. As you can see over here, I want to make a disclaimer and say that only members or residents of the United States and Canada will be able to register. So as I am living outside of the US, I will not be able to register. But as you can see over here, they also recommend another website called Green Pantera. Regardless of which option you pick, these two websites will allow you to play games and earn money back on Cash App. I recommend you also check out the Quick Rewards Instagram page, as they oftentimes post trivia over here that allow you to earn even more rewards if you get the answer right. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money on Cash App by playing games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.